Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious virgin mojito with Monin syrup. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 10 fresh mint leaves, 1 whole lime, and your choice of Monin Mojito mint syrup. Don't forget sparkling water or club soda and plenty of crushed ice. Having a muddler and a tall glass will make the process super easy. Now, let's get to the fun part. Take about 10 fresh mint leaves and 2 lime wedges, placing them directly into your tall glass. Using your muddler, gently press and twist to release the fragrant oils from the mint and the juice from the lime. Be careful not to overmuddle the mint, as this can make it bitter. Next, pour in 1 fluid ounce of Monin Mojito mint syrup. With your muddled mint, lime, and syrup in the glass, it's time for the ice. Fill your glass generously to the top with crushed ice. This ensures your mojito stays perfectly chilled. Then, slowly pour in about 4 to 6 fluid ounces of sparkling water or club soda, filling the rest of the glass. Give it a gentle stir with a long spoon to mix all the ingredients without losing the fizz. Your refreshing virgin mojito is almost ready. For the perfect presentation, garnish your drink with a fresh lime wheel on the rim and a vibrant sprig of mint. This adds a lovely aroma and a professional touch. Serve it right away to savor the crisp, cool, and invigorating flavors. You can also try adding a splash of Monin raspberry or passion fruit syrup for a delightful twist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.